FreeCAD versus SolidWorks. Which CAD software is better? Choosing the right CAD software can completely change how you design and prototype without wasting time or money. FreeCAD offers open source flexibility, while SolidWorks delivers professional-grade precision. FreeCAD and SolidWorks are two leading CAD software options. The core difference lies in their approach. FreeCAD is an open source platform ideal for customization, while SolidWorks is a commercial solution focused on advanced features and industry-standard workflows. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler designed for a wide range of engineering and design tasks. It works by allowing users to create models based on parameters, which can be easily modified to update the design. Its modular architecture supports extensions and customization through Python scripting, making it highly adaptable. FreeCAD's strengths include zero cost, community-driven development, and flexibility across various platforms such as Windows, macOS, and Linux. It supports mechanical engineering, architecture, and product design, with tools for sketching, part design, and assembly. However, FreeCAD has limitations in user interface polish and lacks some advanced features found in commercial software, which can affect productivity for complex projects. It is ideal for hobbyists, educators, and small businesses that require a powerful CAD tool without licensing fees and are comfortable with a learning curve and community support. SolidWorks is a professional commercial CAD software widely used in mechanical engineering and product development. It operates with a parametric, feature-based approach, enabling users to build detailed 3D models, assemblies, and 2D drawings with precision. SolidWorks integrates simulation, rendering, and data management tools within a user-friendly interface. Its strengths include robust functionality, extensive support, and seamless compatibility with industry workflows, making it a standard in manufacturing and design firms. The software offers advanced features such as finite element analysis, motion simulation, and automated design validation. Limitations include a high licensing cost and resource-intensive system requirements, which may be prohibitive for smaller teams or individuals. SolidWorks is best suited for professional engineers, designers, and companies seeking a comprehensive CAD solution with reliable customer support and integration with other engineering software. Comparing FreeCAD and SolidWorks highlights key trade-offs. FreeCAD offers a no-cost open-source option with flexibility for customization and cross-platform use, making it perfect for learners and budget-conscious users. However, it requires more technical skill and may lack some advanced tools. SolidWorks excels in delivering a polished, feature-rich environment with powerful simulation and collaboration capabilities, ideal for professional and industrial applications. The high cost and system demands can be a barrier, but are justified by increased productivity and support. In real-world scenarios, FreeCAD suits startups and educational settings where budget and adaptability matter, while SolidWorks fits established engineering teams needing advanced features and seamless integration into manufacturing pipelines. Choose FreeCAD if you want a cost-effective, flexible CAD tool that supports customization and open-source development, especially for learning or smaller projects. SolidWorks is the better choice for professionals requiring advanced features, robust support, and industry-standard workflows. Its investment pays off in productivity and precision for complex engineering tasks. Select the software that best aligns with your needs and project scale for optimal results.